SOB'S TV, baby. Stay tuned.
SOB'S, please put your hands together. Darien Brockington, a.k.a. D. Brock, bring that out.
New York. You gotta come over here. I'm not gonna be so far away here. All right. Come on, y'all, follow me. Come on. Break down with that. Okay. Now, I don't know why it is when I have to come somewhere, I have to do this thing I call housekeeping. So, New York, I know this is a very live city. Yes? Can we agree on that? I know y'all eating and all that good stuff, but it's New York a live city, yes? Is New York a live city? Okay, so, now that we can find a space to agree in, I don't believe in being observed. I like for us to have a good time, is that alright? So, I know y'all didn't just come here to just stand, right? Okay, so, y'all hear this music right now behind me, right? Here, so you know, it's good to see familiar faces. So, but anyway, we're gonna keep this thing going. Okay, we're gonna keep this thing going a little bit. How many got the mixtape, Cocaine Spot? Anybody? That's okay, because we got to sing a jam from there. But that means I'm gonna need you all's help. Is that all right? How many singers we got in the building? Okay, how many people think they can sing? I like that. I like your heart. See, this is your chance to prove to the world how well you can sing. All right? So, I recently did a video to the song called Rain. And as you see, I'm up here by myself. So, I need a little quiet. I need a little bit of help. See? So I'm counting on you guys. Is that all right? Let's keep this up. All right, we good.
Size TV, baby. Stay tuned.